In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online as an international student. If you're new to the UK or planning to study here, opening a bank account is one of the first things you'll need to do to manage your finances effectively. Now, you may have heard about Barclays' Student Additions account, which is specifically designed for students. However, it's important to note that this option is typically available only if you've been residing in the UK for 3 years or more. If this isn't your case, don't worry, you can still apply for a regular current account. First and foremost, you should start by checking your eligibility. This involves visiting the Barclays website and exploring either the student additions or the current account sections. Here, you can verify whether you meet the specific residence requirement needed for a student account. If you find that you don't qualify under the student category, simply consider applying for their standard current account option. Next, you'll need to gather the necessary documents. This includes having a biometric residence permit, a visa, or proof of your immigration status. Additionally, you'll need to have documents to verify your identity and your address in the UK. Make sure you have these ready before beginning your application process to avoid any delays. Once your documents are in order, you'll choose how you want to apply. The Barclays mobile app is a popular choice because it's often faster and more convenient. This method allows you to manage everything from the comfort of your own home. Now, it's time to complete your application. Start by entering your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and nationality. You'll also need to provide your UK address. As you move through the application, be prepared to upload or submit copies of your identity documents as well as proof of address and student status. If your immigration status requires it, you might also need to show your biometric residence permit. After submitting your application, the next step is a little bit of waiting for approval. If everything is in order, you'll typically gain access to your new bank account quite swiftly. As part of this process, you can expect to receive your debit card and PIN by mail in just a few days. And there you have it, a straightforward path to opening your Barclays bank account online as an international student. This important step will help you better manage your finances while you focus on your studies and enjoy life in the UK. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check the Barclays website for more information.